What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Taj, back with another video. Doing this video on my hose. My quick connect broke, which is already got it off. One part is right here. I got this off the heater core with this quick connect tool right here, which is a 3/4 quick connect disconnect is what they call it, I think, or quick disconnect tool set. It comes with 6 pieces. You got your 5/8. The 3/4 is what I used for my vehicle, which is a Hummer H2. Then you got the red, which is a 1/2 inch. You got a white, blue, and a gray, which is, let me see, a 3/8 and a 5/16, and I think it's a 7/8, which is, they had it wrong. They said the 7/8 was black, but it's actually 3/4. So I was using the wrong one in the beginning. I was using the blue, because that's what it said on the back. But anyway, I had to get this taken care of over here. As you can see, I got it off now. I got that quick connect off with my quick connect tool set, or quick disconnect tool set. It didn't take that much strength once I got the right one, which was 3/4 once again. All you do is, show an example, I'm the cameraman also. You get your quick disconnect tool set piece and you push it in until you hear a click sound. Once you hear the click sound, you just push forward or push backwards towards yourself and it disconnects. And then once you're done, don't forget to get your tool set. So now all I gotta do now is put on the new disconnect and the tool to snap it into place and lock it in and re-up my antifreeze. Be right back. All right, I'm back. Took a little minute. Zoom this in. You see, they're both connected now. About to refill it up with some antifreeze. As you can see, it's bone dry. Fill it up. Be right back to see if there's any leaks. All right, got it on there. Running good. No leaks. That's just some water right there. No leaks so far. Just that's the water. Leak must come from back there, like right in the middle where the heater core will be at. Then I'm gonna drive it around, see how everything go. All right, go ahead and pause this video, and then we go see how it's running. We'll be right back. All right, I'm driving it. So far, so good. Haven't heated up yet. Been driving it for about 2-3 minutes. It's 90-something degrees where I live at. About to get some more antifreeze, top it off, and should be good to go. Cross fingers. Your boy Taj, over and out. Till next time. Peace.